Hello! Welcome to your morning meeting. Today we will talk about our daily calendar, the weather, and breaking news. Let's get started. Today is Monday. Let's watch a video about the days of the week and listen to the song.
Hi, kids. Here is a fun song to help you learn the days of the week. Mother Hen is going to sing it for us. Let's listen.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, the days of the week.
Now, repeat after Mother Hen. Here we go.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, the days of the week.
Great job. Now, let's sing it quietly.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, the days of the week.
Now we are going to talk about the month. The month is May. Let's watch a video and listen to a song about the months in a year.
Hi, kids. Do you know the months of the year? Here's a song to help you remember all 12 months. Mother Hen is going to sing it for us.
January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December.
Now, let's sing along with Mother Hen. Here we go.
January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December.
Now we are going to talk about the date. It is the 11th day of the month. 11. Let's watch this video, and when you hear the number 11, we are going to stop counting. All right, we are going to count together. I want you to stop counting when you hear the date. Are you ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Great job counting to 11. Now we are going to talk about the year. The year is 2020. That means the date is Monday, May 11th, 2020. As you know, we can find something to celebrate every single day. And today is National Twilight Zone Day. The Twilight Zone is an old TV show about like spooky mystery stuff. And at Walt Disney World, we have a ride called the Tower of Terror. And it is devoted to the Tower of Terror. That's the theme. I think it's called the Twilight Zone Tower of Terror. So we are going to pretend that we are at Disney World and we are going to ride this ride together virtually. Here we go.
passengers in a most uncommon elevator are about to ascend into your very own Minnesota, the Twilight Zone. One stormy night long ago, 5 people stepped through the door of an elevator and into a nightmare. That door is opening once again, and this time, it's opening for you. About to discover what lies beyond the 5th dimension, beyond the deepest, darkest corner of imagination, in the Tower of Terror.
Thanks for riding the Tower of Terror with me. It's one of my favorite rides at Disney World. Now we're going to talk about the weather. Today is Monday, May 11th, 2020. Today the temperature will be 57 degrees during the day, with a 40% chance of rain showers. At night, it will be 40 degrees, with a 40% chance of rain showers. Next, we are going to read our current event article. But first, let's go over our steps to critical thinking and problem solving. You will need these while you're answering questions during the article and when we finish the article. Step 1, listen to the question. Step 2, listen to all of the answer choices. Step 3, think about your choices. Step 4, answer the question by choosing one of the answer choices. All right, let's read our article. All right, the title of our article today is Supreme Court News. If you look at the picture, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 people in black. I don't know what the technical term for that is, but judge coats. They're like little judge robes. And these are the members of the Supreme Court. Based off the title of this article in the picture, what do you think this article is going to be about today? What do you think? Let's read on and see if you're right. Will you help me read the article? Let's read it together.
World News, May 4th, 2020. Supreme Court News. The U.S. Supreme Court started working at home May 4th. The U.S. Supreme Court is the highest court in the U.S. The Supreme Court has 9 justices. The justices make decisions about laws and disagreements. Usually the justices work in Washington, D.C.
I have a question for you. How many Supreme Court justices are there? Did you say 9? That's right, there are 9 Supreme Court justices. Let's keep reading. Help me read this page.
The justices are helping stop the spread of the coronavirus. The justices talk on phones. They will make decisions on phones too. The justices have never made decisions on phones before. People can listen to the justices make decisions.
I have a question for you. Will our judges be making decisions in person? Yes or no? No, they will not be making decisions in person. Will they be making decisions over the phone? Yes or no? Yes, they will be making decisions over the phone. They have never done that before. Now we're going to answer some questions about this article. Make sure you're using your steps to critical thinking and problem solving while you're answering these questions. Question number 1. What is the highest court in the U.S.? Is it the President, the Supreme Court, or the House of Representatives? Which one? Did you say the Supreme Court? Let's check your answer and see if it's right.
Supreme Court.
That's right. The Supreme Court is the highest court in the U.S. Question number 2. What do justices make? Do they make phones, cakes, or decisions? Which one? Did you say decisions? Let's check your answer and see if you're right.
Decisions.
That's right. Supreme Court justices make decisions. Last question number 3. Where do justices usually work? Do they work in Washington, D.C., New York City, or Los Angeles? Which one? Did you say Washington, D.C.? Let's check your answer and see if you're right.
Washington, D.C.
That's right. The Supreme Court justices usually work in Washington, D.C., but for now, they're going to be working from home so they can stay safe from the coronavirus. For today's morning meeting. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.